I'm gonna wear my book bag in front of me. Ugh. Yeah, if you know this marker, then more than likely you live in Michigan. Someone left their phone, and as proof I'm not taking it. Oh shit. What the hell? Oh. Yeah, someone might take it though. Ugh. I brought a juice with me. Well, a soda. It's a soda. Oh shit. Is that? Did it water get on my phone again? There we go. A little water never hurt nobody. Ooh. Yep. That's some soda right there. Ugh. The phone is still on the bench. Just so you guys know, I did not take it. I don't know whose phone that was on though. It is cracked though, I did look at it. It is cracked on the screen. So I don't know if it was intentionally left here or someone just forgot their phone. If my phone's cracked and still working, I still use it. I don't leave it. So you never know with these people. You never know with these people. I don't know why you guys are unsubbing. That's another annoying topic let's talk about. So as I'm miserably going through these playlists so that we can have a chill time together, you know what I mean, for future streams, and y'all unsub because I have to listen to both good and bad. You have to listen to bad music to know what good music is. Okay, chat?